Welcome to another platform tutorial video. This is Jai Gallo with Platform. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the watch pause setting inside of the online course settings. So if you add an online course to your platform and you click into the feature settings for the courses, you're going to see an "Are you still watching" option. And there's a tooltip next to it, as there's a bunch of tooltips all around Platform so that you can understand what things are and navigate freely through it. What this "Are you still watching" watch pause setting is if you toggle this on for your online course, what it's going to do is inside of each video in your online course, it's going to stop halfway through and it's going to ask your member or your student, "Hey, are you still watching?" It's going to pause the video and ask them if they're still watching. And they have to actually press yes for the video to continue. It's another way to make sure that your students are actually watching the videos, and it helps ensure that they're actually consuming the content and not just pressing play and just running through. What some students will do is they'll try to cherry pick out what they want to see, and there's a lot of use cases for you to not have your students do that. And I'm going to show you what this looks like right now. If you have any questions about the watch pause setting or anything else inside a Platform, you can go ahead and navigate to the support hub in your Platform creator dashboard, and you can go through all of our frequently asked questions. These are drop-down menus to where you can see a question that you might have and you can get a quick answer to it. One of the advantages of this is questions might come up that you didn't even know you had. And then you see the question, you're like, yeah, I want to know what that is too. And then you can get an answer right here. If you have a specific question or a really unique question, click chat with us, and you can, through a private encrypted chat, you can message us direct and you can get answers to anything that you need, and we'll help you brainstorm how you can use Platform as well for your business if you like. If for some reason we're not online, click the submit a ticket and you can submit a ticket to us as well. Alternatively, click the help docs link at the top here. It's going to take you to our Platform knowledge base, and you can type in and search anything that you want. And you click help docs and it's going to present you with a bunch of categories with documents inside of it that you can go more in depth about everything that Platform has to offer. And then if for some reason you sell online courses or you're an influencer and you do not have a Platform account, you need to go to platformarea.com today and start a free trial right now. Platform is one of the most advanced internet marketing tools available on the market today. So when you're ready to start taking your business and your online presence seriously, grab a Platform account and start building, and watch how you can explode your online presence with an engaging community. So let's go back to this course feature setting. So I'm going to go back to my online course. I'm going to scroll down in the settings to where it says, "Are you still watching?" Now I have this toggled on because I want to demo this and show you this right now. So how are we going to see this? Well, we're going to defer back to our best practice on how to build a platform, and we're actually going to log into our members' platform so we can see what this does and what this looks like. How are we going to do that? We're going to go to our dashboard. We are going to click View, and then we're going to log in. We should have our test member credentials handy, type them in, and get logged in. And now I'm logged in to my test member account. And this is a demo platform that I had made called Crypto Heroes. Has a bunch of features inside of it, but we are specifically talking about the watch pause feature in the online course. So I'm going to find my online course here, and the one online course I have here is the crypto course, and this is set to our drop-down layout. And you can see inside of here we got module 1 and module 2. So if I open module 1, you can also see that I have these videos set to be locked. This is another setting inside of my course called auto lock. I'm going to explain that in another video, so I'm not going to go too in depth in that. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on one of these and watch it, and we're going to see the watch pause in action. So let's go ahead and click the getting started. Okay, so now you see we're about halfway on the first video, and since I have that turned on, it says, "Hey, are you still watching?" Now, as you can see, what this does is actually forces your student to sit here and watch and consume your content. That way you're making sure that they're going to go through your program and watch everything and then actually get results. A lot of times with selling courses, you might get chargebacks because people aren't getting the results that they thought they were going to get with your course. The number one reason that they're not getting the results is because they're not doing what you tell them to do inside of the course to get those results. So this is just one small little setting, small little tool that can help you incorporate that into your course to prevent chargebacks and to get your people the results that they want. Because that's the whole thing, right? If you can provide somebody with a course that gets them a result, next time you have an offer, what's going to happen? That student, that member is going to be like, hey, the last course I did, I watched it, I got the results. So I bet if I take the same actions this time with this offer that he's presenting me now, the same thing's probably going to happen. What that does is it just creates a snowball of trust that is going to sell more products for you to your members. So this is one little tool that can help you do that. Are you still watching? So it stopped halfway in the video, and then I'm just going to click, yeah, I'm still watching. And then it finishes out the rest of the video. So if I go ahead and I click no, then what it's going to do is it's not going to do anything. It's not going to allow me to move on until I have to press play again. And then it'll allow me to continue on. But it's just a way to stop the video from continuing down the course. So that's just another small tool that adds up to big results for you and selling your online course. If you have any questions about this or anything else inside a platform, hit us up in the live chat. But until then, I'll see you on the next platform tutorial video.